I live in the Dales, and one advantage of living here is it's old, very very old country, and there's a lot of Celtic and Romano-British stuff about. And as you wander in the moors, you can find old querns and things that have been used by our ancestors. While you're out metal detecting, you might as well just keep your eye open for anything like this that isn't actually metal, but it is very historical. So I arrived one day after carrying this huge stone down off the moor, and my wife says, "What on earth is that?" And I says, "Well, it's a fairly rare, it's the bottom of a beehive quern. It goes with the quern I've got." So though you will see plenty of beehives around these beehive querns, the actual bases of them, they're quite rare. So because most people just see a flat stone, they think nothing of it. My beehive's had considerable use. Look, the hole in it has been worn away down at the bottom. Still usable though. Not that we do use it. Ha ha.